Yo, what's good, y'all? Welcome back. Appreciate you guys tuning in to another video. So today we're gonna be reviewing the charcoal gray Rock Nation snapback. This is one of my most recent pickups, and it's also one of my most favorite pickups that I got so far. If you don't know what Rock Nation is, just go ahead and take some time to Google it. But for those of you who do know what it is, you already know what time it is when it comes to these crowns. They don't call them hats, they call them crowns, man. So yeah, so right here we got the charcoal crown. I was just on the site and I saw this colorway and I just decided to buy it, and it looks better in person than it does on the website. The pictures on the website don't do the hat any justice. So like I said, all gray hat. You got the Plains logo right here on the front, and then you got the pin, and that's basically how all the Rock Nation hats look. And like I said, it's not really a serious video. I just want to do an unboxing for y'all. Well, not even an unboxing because I don't have the box. But when you buy this hat, it's gonna come with, you know, 2 stickers, Plains logo, and then you got greatness is a process. So they ship out pretty fast. The packaging is really nice. They wrap the hats up in really good paper, and they include these stickers. The fit of the hats fit pretty good. I don't know if I mentioned, this is a snapback, not a fitted. They do have fitted caps on rocnation.com, but as of now, they're all sold out. And that's kind of annoying me because I really want to buy a fitted one, but they all sold out in every size. So I know y'all probably already seen me wearing these hats in my other videos, but this is my third one. So I got the black one with the red, white, and blue crown, and then I got just the classic black one. So like I said, these hats fit really, really nice. They're definitely good quality. The black, when you buy like black hats, sometimes depending on what brand you buying from, the more you wear it, the black will kind of fade and look ashy. But I had this hat since 2016, and the material looks, you know, damn near new. So yeah, man, if you're interested, go ahead and cop these hats. I think it's just like a fashion statement when you rocking these hats, man. I like them, and hopefully they restock the fitteds so I can go ahead and cop a fitted. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think about this. If you copped a crown or a hat from Rock Nation, let me know. But like I said, this is a underrated color right here. They're all gray joint. It's actually becoming one of my favorite. And the reason I don't have the box right now is because I wore it as soon as I opened the box. I put it on my head and I started rocking it. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Quick video, man. I just wanted to let y'all see what I picked up. But yeah, man, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.